I'm Alan Weiss. I'm from Bennett, Iowa. I farm in Cedar County. I have currently 5,400 spaces that we feed for and have known Daryl since '97 and Integrity Builders since they started. History with knowing Daryl and how honest he is about building contracts, how he stays on course with you. If there's an issue, Daryl will call you, talk to you. Just his integrity is what his building name is, or his builder's construction company is, Integrity Builders. He's earned that with me over the years. We've built 2 hog barns with Daryl. We've built a machine shed with Daryl. We are currently going to build a shop with Daryl, and we are also going to do a fairing barn for my youngest son. It's going to be a 40 crate fairing barn. The biggest part of, I guess, of building with integrity is what we're currently doing right now is we have their service people working here, very knowledgeable. Look around as you're looking for a builder. Make sure that you have service people to follow up. Without that, you're pretty much on your own, and Daryl has stepped in and done a great job industry-wide for doing this. We have a lot of competition out that does not have a good service crew, and he's managed to keep that together and make that grow. Integrity Builders, we've used them for service work. We've used them for a remodel on one of my 900 head barns, and we have built new with them. And they're definitely people you want to look at and try to do business with if you can. They're going to stand behind their products, and they're going to work well with you as you move through your project. And it's just been an overall good experience, from the remodels to the service work to the building new. It's been a pleasure working with Daryl and Integrity Builders.